What's up, guys? So, not really sure what I'm going to do today, but I'm just going to walk up there. Don't know where it goes or anything, but I wanted to get out of the house, and I figure might as well go on a little adventure. It is 19 degrees. Ooh, ice. Even better. Yeah, it's 19 degrees, so it is a little bit chilly, but might as well see what's out there. I don't know. It might be cool. I'll just have my GoPro and see what goes on. Luckily it's cold enough so I'm not sinking in the snow. It's all frozen. Let's see where this takes me. Oh. Worked out my legs today. That's probably not a good idea to come on a hike. Interesting. Follow the power lines. Probably no, I'll probably venture off into there. Kind of cool. When you say so. Hopefully I don't start sinking. It smells pretty deep up here, I'm sure. Probably a couple feet. Pretty high up. I'm probably 7,000 feet high, so pretty high up. I'm starting to break through. Ooh. I'm just walking up this wash. I'm getting worn out. This altitude's tough. But pretty. Maybe I can go up this. Make some steps for me. Pretty steep. Ooh. Should have brought a beanie. It's cold. Oh, it's so pretty. I love the state. I'm in Utah. It's so pretty. Have any of you guys been to Utah? If you have, what do you think about it? Let me know what you think about Utah in the comments. Sorry, I can't talk. Yeah, you can see how deep the snow is up here. I'm glad I'm not sinking through. It'd be kind of tough to walk in if that was the case. Yeah, there's a couple feet up here. Still have no idea where I'm going. Literally just got out of my truck and started walking. Probably won't go super far, obviously, because I'm not really prepared for it. Ooh, I fell through. My ears are getting cold. That's okay. Go through the trees here. Big wash again. I just hiked up. Go up this little section right here. Big ravine right there. One that I hiked up originally. It's pretty steep, probably can't tell, so pound my feet in, make sure I get some traction, don't fall off. Ooh. I really don't want to slide down that and fall. That would kind of suck. Kind of ruin my day. how it's done. And we're up the hill. I think I'm gonna start walking down now. Nothing really to see up here. I just don't know where it goes. But it's cool. Probably go wander around by the stream. Hopefully I don't fall down this. I got my tracks from before. Dip them in like that. I ain't going anywhere. I'm not falling today. Nope. Ooh. Yeah, if I slid down that, went down that, it wouldn't be very fun. It's not that far, but I don't want to hit my head. Who wants to hit their head? Falling in the snow. You know what I mean? Nobody wants that. Where am I? It's always fun just getting out of your truck in the mountains and start walking. That's how people get lost. Now I know my way back. At least I think I do. No, I do. I'm really not that far away. I'm not that adventurous today. Maybe another day. Oh gosh. There I fell. Playing in the snow. Fun stuff. Get down this wash again. Oh gosh. I keep falling now. Ooh. I'm all good. Got snow down my boots. I got wool socks on though. I will have no problems with cold feet. No, I don't think those are my tracks. I don't know. So, the reason I'm making this video is the other night I couldn't sleep. It was like 2 in the morning. And went down the YouTube rabbit hole. Started watching a guy sail across the ocean by himself for 30 days. And his video was simple. It was like him just sailing across the ocean. He went from like Tahiti to Hawaii or something like that. But I'm like, his video's simple. He's just out selling. He really wasn't having that good of a time. I mean, after a while you get pretty bored. But I was like, I'm gonna make a video of me in the mountains just hiking. I mean, I'm not hiking for 30 days, but maybe I'll eventually get up to that level. But the guy had like tons of views, like millions of views, which granted, yeah, that's a lot more exciting sailing across the ocean by yourself than some random dude in Utah just getting off the road and then going hiking in the mountains. I understand that, but I feel like people might want to watch. Oh, twist my ankle there. Got the poop. Nice. And there's my truck. See, I'm not very far. Yeah, I'm like, I'll just make more videos of me doing dumb stuff. You guys can watch me hike around the mountains. You know, it might be interesting at times. A lot of times it might be kind of boring. Unless I crack my head open. That was lame. Kids built the jump here. That's cool. I'll walk over to the stream. That's the cool stuff. Streams. I like me a nice stream. Might be some fish in here. Hate to be them, be cold. There's one right there. Got a little trout, there's a little trout in this stream here. Let's go up here yonder and walk in the stream. Cool if we saw a moose or something. A lion, something cool like that. Yeah. It's like a cliff. Oh boy. Am I gonna slip into the water? Made it. A little too deep for my boots. Some bobber. Not very long though. Smells like dead fish. Maybe there's a fish hooked up to that bobber. Kind of cool, this rock wedged into this tree. Interesting. Nature's very interesting, that's for sure. Gotta love it. I'm also pretty interesting, just like the nature. Okay. Made it. Told you I did my legs today at the gym. I was hiking around. I don't know about it. Come down this side, see what we got here. I think these are waterproof. Guess I'll find out. Oh, isn't that as pretty? Got that big old tube coming out from under the road. So pretty. Really though, super pretty. It snowed this morning down in town, but doesn't look like they got a whole lot up in the canyon, which is kind of weird. We need more, definitely need more this year. We're gonna fall. This video is probably stupid. Well, not probably, I know it is. But my life's kind of interesting. I sell on eBay full-time, even though I really probably shouldn't be full-time because I make like no money, but I have all the time in the world. I'm trying to grow it obviously and make good money doing it, but I spend more time up in the mountains screwing around. So I'm like, well, I'll post these videos on YouTube. Maybe I'll make money doing that. Probably not though, not with dumb videos like this. But let me know what you guys want to see, because I do go out and explore quite a bit. I go dirt biking and off-roading. I definitely need to make more videos. I'm just not very good at editing or even making videos. But yeah, hopefully you guys want to stick around, see what my weird life's about. Just going in the mountains and looking at streams. Who doesn't want to do that? I figure there might be people watching too that don't live around this type of stuff, that might find it kind of interesting to see what it looks like. I mean, it's so pretty. I'm so lucky to live where I live. But yeah, let me know what you guys think. See you later. I might make some more videos. I might go try and fly my drone, but every time I fly it, it does dumb things. I just need to video my drone. That'd probably get a lot of views, just because it always wrecks. I wreck it into my truck, into trees. It kind of has a mind of its own, does its own thing. Oh, well, there's a moose down here. Talk to you guys later. Look at that beast. Mount Timpanogos. It's a big old mountain. Mountain. You can tell I'm from Utah. But look at that. It looks so good. Ooh, there's a sheriff. He's gonna pull me over. Got my GoPro out. Look at that. Beautiful.